So this is the foundation which we are starting off with. I have no makeup on my eyes. All I'm done with my base and my lip and my brows. So what are hooded eyes? You guys can see that if you have got excess skin which covers the mobile lid, that's called like a hooded eye. Hooded eyes come into variety of shapes. You can have hooded eyes as well as deep set eyes like mine. So my inner corners are more sunken in, and I do have like a small real estate to work for eyeshadows, and this hood kind of overlaps this upper lash line, so it becomes more difficult for me to kind of wing that wing eyeliner. But this eyeliner style is perfect for someone who has got extreme hooded eyes like mine. This eyeliner style is also called as downturned eyeliner. So the products you need here, you can actually use something like this, which I'm going to use today as an eyeliner pot. This is a liquid liner which comes with this sort of like a brush tip applicator, or you can also use something like an eyeliner pen. This one is one of my favorite. This is Epic Ink Liner from NYX. If you have got hooded eyes, I would highly suggest to use brush tip applicators as eyeliners. Okay, so the first step is very simple. Make sure you don't have any kind of excess oil on your eyelids. So I'm going to pick this Beauty Bay Neutrals eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to pick this shade which is called Canyon. This is sort of like a muted nude brown. I'm taking a fluffy blending brush and just wash this color on all over my lids. Okay, step number 3 is to pick your favorite liquid liner. I'm going to use this one. This is from Etude House and I'm using the shade brown. Make sure you're looking really straight into the mirror. Now I'm going to follow my hood and we're going to play along with that. I'm just going to draw this line following the natural hood, just like so. Make sure you have stable hands. So for that, one tip is to keep your pinky finger around your cheek to kind of make your hand more stable. So I'm just going to draw this straight line joining towards this sort of like a mark over there. Now I'm going to just connect it towards my upper lash line. So your mapping is done. All you now need to do is to fill up this gap. I'm keeping this mistake because this spot liner is sort of dried out. So I'm going to go back with my NYX Epic Ink Liner. So I'm just going to create this sort of like a line. And now I'm going to look down and stamp this eyeliner really close to my lash line. Okay, to soften it up, I'm going to take some little bit of eyeshadow on a brush like this. I'm picking this dark brown shade and really smudge it around my lower lash line. All you now need to do is to pick up your favorite mascara. If you have got hooded eyes, waterproof mascara is your best bet. So to finish off this look, I'm just gonna wiggle this mascara on my upper lashes, and this is gonna open your eyes more. I'm going between 2 to 3 coats, and you can see even after doing it for many times, I still kind of have made some errors. I'm just gonna let it dry and brush it off with a spoolie, and that's what I want to tell you guys. It's all about practicing, and even after practicing for multiple times, you can still make a mistake. So don't be hard on yourself, and if your makeup or your eyeliner doesn't look like what you have wished for, it's okay. And there you have it. This is how you achieve a perfect puppy eyeliner. I'm gonna do my other side off camera and show you the final results. And this is how the final results have come out. It looks super pretty and super easy to do. I hope you guys have learned something, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, as it helps me to grow my channel here on YouTube. Also leave into the comments which other eyeliner styles you want to learn. I'll be happy to do so. I hope to see you guys here again the next time.